Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Granite Sealer is probably one of the most essential products for any homeowner looking to protect their beautiful stone surfaces from stains, etching, and everyday wear and tear, ensuring that the natural elegance of their granite countertops, floors, and backsplashes remains pristine for years to come with minimal effort and maximum effectiveness. Number 5. Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Introducing the Weiman Quartz Cleaner and Polish. It's specially formulated for your newly installed kitchen countertops. Our pH-neutral formula safely removes grease, soil, and watermarks without streaking or residue. This cleaner offers superior protection for the resins in quartz and other stones. It helps prevent fading or darkening caused by sunlight exposure, keeping your surfaces looking their best. Enjoy a light and fresh citrus scent as it cleans and shines. It leaves your countertops glistening and your kitchen smelling amazing, all while providing a spotless shine. Experience supreme polishing power that brings out a new level of luster. It cleans effectively without damaging the surface, leaving it streak-free and residue-free. Trust Weiman for your most valued surfaces. All our products are proudly manufactured right here in the United States of America. What we like. This cleaner is specially formulated for quartz surfaces, ensuring a safe and effective clean. It offers superior protection against UV rays, preventing fading and darkening of your countertops. If you have a newly installed quartz kitchen and are looking for a product that cleans, shines, and protects without streaks, this is the ideal choice for maintaining its pristine condition. What people say. Cleans quartz, no smears, shine bright. This is an excellent product for my quartz countertop. Cleans well, leaving no streaks, use with appropriate cloth. Cleans well and has a nice smell to it, not a normal cleaning smell. Number 4. Weiman 3-in-1 Granite and Stone Cleaner. Introducing the ultimate solution for your granite and stone surfaces. This powerful cleaner tackles grease, stains, and watermarks with ease. Achieve a brilliant, streak-free finish that enhances the natural beauty of your countertops. It leaves no residue behind, just pure shine. Our advanced stain shield technology actively protects against future messes. Keep your surfaces looking pristine for longer. Worry less about damage. It's formulated to be safe for a variety of stone types, including marble, quartz, tile, granite, quartzite, and slate. Experience the convenience of a 3-in-1 formula that cleans, protects, and shines. It's the only cleaner you'll need for your cherished stone surfaces. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive 3-in-1 solution, tackling grease, stains, and watermarks all at once. Its advanced stain shield technology provides lasting protection against future messes. If you're seeking a versatile cleaner that works on a wide range of natural stones and engineered surfaces, delivering a spotless, streak-free finish with added stain resistance, this is the one for you. What people say. Spray and wipe with the cloth included takes all those stains out. Definitely made out quartz much brighter, especially the lighter colored stone. The stain shield technology really helps prevent spills from soaking in, which gives me peace of mind with my light colored countertops. It removes grease and stains effortlessly without any harsh chemical smell. It cleans great and helps the stone to shine. Number 3. Weiman Disinfectant Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. Introducing a powerful cleaner designed for your granite and stone surfaces. It safely cleans, disinfects, and shines, leaving your countertops looking their best. This versatile formula works wonders on granite, marble, quartz, and many other countertop materials. Enjoy a brilliant shine without worry. Keep your kitchen looking pristine with our daily clean and shine spray. It's perfect for everyday use to maintain a beautiful and hygienic surface. Each pack comes with a special polishing cloth to enhance the shine. Achieve a streak-free finish with ease. Not only does it clean and shine, but it also disinfects, helping to eliminate germs. Protect your home and family with this effective solution. Experience the difference a truly clean and polished countertop can make. Our product delivers a lasting shine that you'll love. What we like. This cleaner not only cleans and disinfects your countertops but also leaves them with a brilliant shine. It's safe for use on a vast array of materials, from granite and marble to quartz and laminate. If you prioritize a hygienic kitchen environment and want a daily cleaner that keeps all your different countertop types looking their best with minimal effort, this dual pack is an excellent option. What people say. This product works great and is easy to apply. It provides excellent protection against stains and spills. The sealer leaves a natural, non-shiny finish that doesn't alter the look of the granite. Number 2. Weiman Disinfecting Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. Introducing the Weiman Disinfecting Granite and Stone Cleaner and Sealer Kit. Keep your kitchen countertops looking their best with this powerful duo. Our daily cleaner effectively removes grime and disinfects your surfaces. It's perfect for everyday use to maintain a pristine kitchen. The included sealer provides a protective barrier against stains and damage. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your stone surfaces are shielded. This kit is designed for a variety of natural and engineered stones. Use it on granite, marble, quartz, quartzite, and slate. Achieve professional results with ease. Simply spray the cleaner and apply the sealer for a beautiful, lasting finish. Get everything you need for clean and sealed stone surfaces. This comprehensive kit ensures your investment stays protected and beautiful. What we like. This kit provides both a daily cleaner and a dedicated sealer, offering complete care for your stone surfaces. It ensures your granite, marble, and quartz are not only clean but also protected against stains and etching. If you're looking for a two-step system to maintain the beauty and integrity of your natural stone countertops, this kit offers a convenient and effective solution for long-term preservation. What people say. The sealer does an amazing job in getting in all the cracks and preventing any grime from getting in, and the cleaner shines them up nice without damaging the stone. It works especially well on quartz and granite, restoring a clean, smooth appearance without any strong or overwhelming smell. This product disinfects very well and keeps the shine on my granite. The smell is pleasant as well. Number 1. Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish. Introducing Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish. Achieve a brilliant shine on your countertops, islands, and stone surfaces. This powerful formula not only cleans but also provides essential UV protection. Keep your surfaces looking their best for longer. Cleaning has never been easier. Simply spray and wipe to reveal a streak-free, polished finish. It's designed to be tough on grime but gentle on your valuable surfaces. Enjoy a professional clean right at home. This convenient 2-pack includes a microfiber towel for perfect application. Get more value and a flawless finish every time. What we like. This cleaner and polish is specifically designed to enhance the look of quartz countertops, leaving them with a brilliant shine. The added UV protection helps preserve the color and integrity of your surfaces against sun damage. If you have quartz countertops and desire a product that cleans, polishes, and protects, all while including a handy microfiber towel for a perfect finish, this 2-pack is a great value. What people say. This product is amazing and it works really well. I love this product and it is very easy to use. This product is a great value for the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.